Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the Pavo20 Pro and two different sets of propellers. This is the stock Gemfan 2218 propeller. Comes stock. You can see it has no holes for the screws to go in, and this is an alternative. Finally found it. This is HQ props 2.2 by 2 by 3, and as you can see it has motor screws to go in, and I think it's a great alternative. We're gonna test that. First we're going to take a flight with the stock propellers. We're gonna talk about it, and we're gonna switch the props and take a flight with the HQ props. Alright, first flight with the stock propellers. Let's go. Let's see what's our throttle hover percentage. So we're hovering around 23, I would say 20, yeah, something around 24. This is a 550 milliamp battery that Beta FPV recommends, so let's just go for a smooth flight. I'm not gonna push it too hard. Let's see how the stock propellers do. It's pretty smooth, well tuned. Really interesting to see how without any modifications, no PID tune changes, a propeller change will do. Okay, yeah, flight smells really good. So far so good. I would say that the stock propellers are the noise pretty screechy. I'm gonna bring it here and punch it. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Yeah, I would say I have good control, good precision. Let me do. Yep. So good. I maybe went through 20 sets of these propellers. But coming back to them after flying the HQ props for a while, I cannot tell that I really like them. They're okay. They're okay for what they are. I really hate that the Beta FPV couldn't just give us, like, you know, hobby grade propellers. These are like one-time use. I think the GEPRC, the Dark Star 22, uses the 2.2 propellers also, but those have screw holes. So we're about 3 minutes 20 seconds in, and we're getting the low battery warning. So I'm gonna come back and land. I'm gonna take a spin the HQ props. Okay, the propellers are swapped. This is HQ props 2.2. We're gonna fly it and see if it's any better than the stock Gemfan 2218s. Let's go. First we want to see if the hover percentage of the throttle is any different. So yeah, look at that. We're hovering at around 21. Well, not a big improvement, 2%. Yes, 2%. Not bad, but let's see. It definitely feels like more floaty. Let's see. So I just have a slight feeling that it's just easier for it to float. Let's see. Flies normal. No drastic change, definitely. Flies smooth. What we're looking here really is just not an improvement in flight, but in reliability of prop securing. So if it flies the same or better, and you can retain the prop through the screws, it's already a win. Oh my god. Let's see how that ends. Well, that didn't end it well. So you can see the canopy broke. One hit was enough for the whole canopy to just crack. 2 mounts cracked. This is unusable. So I'm gonna have to replace it or 3D print an alternative to it. But I think there was a good short test of the HQ props. None of the props suffered, none of them flew away, so that's a win. So in the end, what do I think? Are the HQ props an upgrade for the stock Gemfan 2218? In my opinion, yes. It's an upgrade just because it has screw holes to mount the propeller, and I think they're quieter, provide a bit more lift, maybe I would say 4 to 5% more, just because the blade area is bigger. And yeah, from now on I'll be using these, and we'll see how that goes. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and consider subscribing. See you next time.